My buddy B-Man a while back sent me a bunch of great cartridges for this old school delight. The Gillette Sensor. This is the XL line of cartridges. And the difference, besides the fancy packaging, is you can see this pop out right here. The introduction of the micro fin technology. So B-Man asked me which one I like better, the XL or the traditional. I really can't remember. But since he was kind enough to send me both, I'm gonna do a quick shave. I am big on pre-shave oil these days. I find it really helps minimize the irritation, helps prepare the bristles and the face for the blade. So just apply a small amount with warm water, work it in, and then rinse it, but leave a little bit of that oil. And because B-Man is a Nivea man, I'm gonna go with Nivea Men Deep Clean Shave with Charcoal. And the only thing I'm not digging about these guys, these Nivea cans, is this trigger. Look at that. I don't need that much. It's trigger happy. And I'm telling you, this is very, very nice. Nice scent, light, warm, a little on the free side. I'll work that in. And I'm gonna do one pass because I'm running late today, guys. And I don't have much of a growth. One day, 1 or 2 days. I'm gonna start with the XL, the Sensor XL blade. Difference being microfin technology down here, this rubber guide. We're gonna start right here and shave with the grain of the hair. Nice. Nice. Very nice light feel, good coverage. They did a good job with the release of the sensor. If you're in your 40s or above, this was a workhorse. Okay, so now we're gonna attack the neck. Hair in the neck grows upwards for the most part, so to go with grain, I'm flipping the blade. I'm letting the device do its job. I'm not digging, I'm not pushing. Just nice, long, firm, but light strokes. And I'm feeling no pain. A nice new Sensor XL blade, very good. All right, I'm gonna pop this blade off and I'm gonna go with a new Sensor blade. Now there is a guide down here, but it's hard plastic, all right? And let's see if I like this better or worse or what. So we're starting again on the face with the grain. Nice. Now B-Man, if I remember our conversation, and guys, if you want to reach out to me, Facebook, Twitter, email, my email is in the about information section on here on YouTube. Reach out to me. So B-Man was telling me that he feels that he likes this blade better because there's less, I believe he said there's less drag. He feels like those rubber guides kind of drag down the razor. And I'm getting the sense of that, but I don't think that it really affects the quality of the shave. I'm finding that there's more contact. There's a more secure feeling, in my opinion, with the Gillette Sensor XL, which I like. I like a little bit more control. This feels a little bit more plasticky, for a lack of a better term. But very similar shave, guys. I want to thank B-Man for sending me these cartridges. Guys, I have enough for the next 10 years. If you can get your hands on one of these Gillette Sensor handles, guys, they're hard to come by. I'll leave a link. You can get the handle on Amazon. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys. Keep push and play.